You're so good. It's funny how things find community. An object contains its history. Ring, ring, ring. Ring, 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 ring. It's the diary of a payphone. So many stories at the end of the tone. The diary of a payphone. Ring, 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 Hey, Dad. Sorry I haven't called recently. I've just been busy, but I wanted to check in and let you know what I've been feeling. I stuff my face into your shirts when you're gone. Inhale the memories of who I was. A little girl who felt safe in your arms, who forgave every blow. But it's been 20 years, that little girl's grown up. And we won't be reconnecting since the wounds are tattooed deep. Dad, I wish you well and hope you find some peace. Since your blood runs through my veins, some part of me remains inside your folds of laundry and within your heart. So the shirts can hold the memories, 'cause I can't hold the memories of you.
Sarah, you are never going to believe who I met the other day. No, not that guy. No, that didn't work out. No, this guy's name is Charles. I think he's the one. Charles, well, he goes by Charlie, but we already do that thing where you call him by his full name. Yes, I think he's the one. Because I got that fluttery feeling and the kiss that we shared. Wasn't sloppy or dry. It was just right, and he isn't like those finance guys I did. Your face. Yes, I'm past that now. Because Charles, he's a musician. I've never dated a musician, but I feel like this could be really good for me. So, he wasn't the one, because I was one of your girls he wrote songs about and fucks around with. But I'm sure I met the one, Dylan Hale, who went to Yale, who I met in line, getting lunch at Sweet Greens, and we haven't gone out yet. But his Facebook profile tells me everything I need to know. Like he loves his mom, and he's got a dog, and he isn't a musician, volunteers at a soup kitchen. Just think of how great of a dad he'll be. So Dylan wasn't the one. So it ceased to be a month. Turns out there's such a thing as being too perfect. And him without his hair. Online dating. I've got 8 guys waiting just for me to reply. What's my ideal first date? Some dick that asked my weight. But I'm sure amongst the crazies, my one is out there waiting for me. A man who's successful, on kids before 30, who's amazing at flirting. He doesn't skip foreplay or get jealous if I get paid more. In bed he calls me his whore. I'm sure I'll meet the one, 'cause I've got this skill called seeing potential where there is none. I'll look past living in basements for Brad Pitt adjacents, or trust a guy who refuses to try Thai food, 'cause that means stubborn passport taste. But stubborn means that he'll never leave. And I'll settle for Chinese if a man can meet my needs, 'cause I'm sure amongst the crazies, my one is out there waiting for me. Sarah, I've gotta go. There's this really cute guy waiting for the payphone. Maybe he's the one.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey Jenna, it's me. I just, I wanted to tell you that I've been thinking about. I don't smell your fragrance attached to my bed sheets. It faded right when you left me. And I don't feel your arms as they tightened around me. Don't remember the speed of your heartbeat. But my mind reels around the conversations that we had. Those 6 days that I was falling in love with you. And the memories we never made. All those mornings spent in bed, staying in your arms instead, creating realities. Living in a make-believe where I am yours and we have time. Paying rent with the memories we never made. And I still keep the popcorn we made for the movies. We never made time for the movies. And I still feel your laugh as it makes its way through me. Ideas of what we could be. If time stood still and we could make the plans to take a chance. Trust fate is real and maybe live a life that's filled with memories we never made. A camera roll that's filled with us. Late night talks where we discuss that distant reality. Living in our make-believe where I am yours and we have time. And she make the switch to hours from mine. Kitchen dances where we don't say goodbye. What I'd like are the memories we never made. And maybe I'm stupid to fall this fast. Or maybe you're in for me, we'll make it last. But if I break, I hope it's you that breaks me. So that maybe we'll make the memories we never made. All those mornings spent in bed, laying in your arms instead, creating reality. Life is real, not make-believe, where I am yours and we have time, and we choose stars where we align, making dinners where we both pay rent, to live a life well spent for the memories that we will make. There's no goodbyes, it's you and I, and the memories we never made.
You started innocent, you started untouched, you started naive and begging to prove you weren't too much. It's just a coffee to hold, it's just a blinding stare, it's simply extra time in rehearsal, hey beautiful, you did well in there. But time turned into flowers and calls and words that made you feel sick. But didn't you want to impress him? Show the world you were it. You started hiding it, the touches and gifts, the money he spent and the promises meant you weren't a kid. He writes like you are his muse, but aren't you too young to be? Age is just a number, my dear. To me, you aren't 16. He started to paint you a picture, your future, and he was the key. But didn't you want to impress him? Didn't you want to be seen? He's charmed and he's conned everyone in his life. He's 30 years older, will you be my wife? He's suave and he's rich and he sells you his lines, that you hold his secrets while he's holding mine. How can you admit it? Uncover his fraudulent actions. It went on for years. You fed every fear and fed his facade. How people in town didn't know. I knew my role by heart. The women that said they were jealous can see how it tore me apart. And all that's left is a story that isn't that new. How I wish I didn't impress him. How I wish that he had refused. How I wish I didn't impress him. I wish I hadn't been used.
Hey, can we give one last round of applause?
Thank you to all for watching it. If you have any feedback or things that you'd like to contribute, I have a Google form in my Instagram bio, Ali Bellhaven. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed it. That's Diary of a Payphone.